Hello everyone, welcome to Apidog Enterprise Guide. In our previous videos, we have demonstrated the SSO and scheme setup process with Microsoft Entra ID. Today I am going to demonstrate how we can configure SAML Group Mapping in Apidog. Admins can configure IDP groups in Apidog for role assignments. Successful SSO login will assign the organizational and corresponding team access permissions. When admins add or remove users within the IDP groups, these changes will be synchronized to Apidog's organizational members. Please remember that we need to configure SAML SSO in Apidog and Microsoft Entra ID first, as SAML authentication is required for this group mapping in Apidog. First, we need to open our Microsoft Entra ID portal and open the SAML application, which is being used for SSO configuration. From the application's overview page, we will enter Setup Single Sign-On and edit attributes and claims. We will add a group claim. Here, we will select all groups. Under Customize the name of the group claim, we will set name to groups. Then save the changes. For SSO, we have already added users manually or using groups in Entra ID Applications Users and Groups tab. After successful SSO login of the user, Apidog can obtain the unique identifier or object ID of the associated group where the IDP user belongs and assign predefined roles. Please note that Apidog will not obtain or collect any other information about the groups from Azure. We recommend admins to create separate security groups for Apidog group mapping and role assignments. To configure the mapping, we will require an Entra ID group first. You can use your existing groups or create a new group. We will create a new group from Groups tab. Give it a name like Group Mapping and assign necessary users for the group. For test purpose, I will add my test user account in the group. Then complete the configuration process and deploy the group. Each group will have their unique name and object ID within Microsoft Entra ID, which we will use in our later steps. Now we will configure the mapping between group and team. We will open the SAML Groups page in Organization Settings of Apidog. Here we will click on plus add. We need to paste the name and ID of the target group. We can define roles for both organization and individual teams in this page. For this purpose, I will use the sample Entra ID group to demonstrate all the behaviors of the feature. Firstly, I will add our target group mapping here. Copy its name from Entra ID and the object ID from Entra ID again. After inserting the necessary data from Entra ID, we will assign the necessary roles. I will use the org admin role for this group. It will assign the organization admin role automatically to all the users of this group after successful SSO login. Additionally, I have 3 different teams under this organization, and we will select 3 different team roles for this group. For the first team, I will keep Forbidden. For the second team, I will select Team Admin. And finally, for the third team, I will select Team Member role. After the successful group mapping, now I will use test user account and sign in to Apidog organization using SSO. SSO login will authenticate and validate the access as per IDP configuration. From the user's perspective, we can see that the SSO login is successful. Now we will validate the permissions and role assignments from the admin perspective. As an admin from Apidog's organizational members list, we can see that corresponding access permissions are granted according to the configuration. For the target user, we can see that organization admin role is assigned for the organization. If we check the team level access, we can see that individual roles are assigned to each team as per our group mapping. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional query or suggestion, please comment below and we will be happy to answer. If you are interested in other enterprise features, please check the playlist or explore our official channel to find out more about API Dog. Thank you.